guys, welcome to Sovol YouTube channel. This is Hattie, and today I will show something very interesting but not about the 3D printing. As you can see, this is our pen plot Sovol SO-1, and today I will use it to plot some photos I got in my daily life, and one is my selfie, so I guess you will be interested, and the other photos are from the Sovol user group. So how can I do that with this machine? If you are interested, let's get started. At first, we need to download Inkscape software, so go to Sovol official website sovol3d.com and check the support, and there is Sovol SO-1 document download, and I will download 64-bit and download. I recommend you download Inkscape software on our website. Then you don't need to download another extensions because it is included on this software. So just install. And then we also need to download another software. The name is Quick Draw that can transform the brightness of an image into the sine waves. And here are some descriptions. You can check it on our website. And this cat is so cute. Okay, this is the link. When you click the name, then you will go to this page. So just download the code. And we also need to download another software. The name is Processing, and just download it. 64-bit. Then we can open the files. And we also need to add another file. I will show you later. Just click there and add a file. The name is, you can search here, Control P5. Yeah, just install. Then run it. So now we can import load the picture. Those Elsa and Anna I already ported them, so I already prepared not other future photos. My selfie, dog, and a kid that Gary shared in the user group and allows. So I just adjust these parameters randomly because I'm not so familiar with this and know how to expand those functions. But I will work on it. Now it's very light, much better now. Then make other try. I think it's clear now. So just okay, I think it is good now. Then I will save the file. The Inkscape can recognize SVG file. So here is, and I will rename it in case I forgot the name. Then we can, on this icon, I must to say something about it. When you click this icon, you can change the width and height by the same proportion. So when you use Inkscape, you will need to know this icon because the important step is to adjust the size of the picture, right? And this preference is for, and when you click this preference, you can just change the interface and the language. When I install Inkscape, at first the language is Chinese, and then make sure you can understand it easily. I just set it in English, and then just check the import. Then you can import the file that you want to plot. I will import my selfie at first. Don't laugh at me, because I really love it and can't wait to see the final results. So drag it in the correct position. I would like to drag it in the center of the paper and make it smaller. When you click the corner, you see that there are several buttons on the pictures. When you click the corner, then you can change the size and rotate it. So we can just get the G-code and check our extensions. The name is Sovol Workshop. Here is, and generate a G-code from path. We need to copy the name of the folder. If you don't copy that, it won't save correctly. So copy there and paste. Then apply. Then you will get a G-code. So here is, and I will also rename it. And one note here, you need to click this button so the lines can be connected and it will save your time. And then we can just start to plot. All the G-code have been done. And first we need to level the paperboard. So just click pen control and make it up. Then you can hold the pen and level. It is easy. Just you can put the pen in the lowest position of the paper and make it lower and lower. Then make sure all the corners of the paper can be rotated. Okay, I think it is done. And just pen control. And then you can auto home. Then the pen will be in the corner. And make sure the nib match the left button of the paper. Okay, let's back to the menu and select plot from TF and then select the selfie file and begin to plot. So our first picture is beginning. So this is my selfie and wow, it is amazing. And the second, so you can see that is a dog and with loving dress. And this rose, so beautiful. And the lovely kid that Gary shares in the group. So all the pictures are done. And which one do you like most? My selfie or the rose or the dog or this lovely kid? Oh, just comment below and I look forward to know your opinion. And I think if you have 3D printer, you can print a frame and to put this paper and hang it on your room. I think it is very good decor. I think the pen pot is very easy to use, but about Inkscape, if you want to design something by yourself, it may be difficult. But if you just import an image to Inkscape and get the G-code, that is very easy. I will keep on learning Inkscape and try to design something by myself. If you are interested, just subscribe on our channel, and if you like this video, just hit like or share button. That will do us a favor because more people may see it. And at last, thanks for your watching, and see you next time.